Hey, we're at 1506 Leatherman Drive. It's the second house to the end. Let's see, there's the end of the road. It's a pretty house. And we'll walk around it outside. This is what you'd get to look at, your view. It's the back of the house. Nice and private back here. It's a pretty good sized pad. House is very clean. It's like a little trail across the road. Okay. This house is laid out different. I'll show you the floors. This one, the master bedroom's in the back. Here's your guest rooms. Not granite countertops, but they're not bad looking. All matching Frigidaire appliances. Here's the laundry room, and there's the garage door. I'll take you out there in a minute. Master bedroom's in the back of the house. Not a bad size. And if you see any of these houses that you're really interested in and you need to know the bedroom sizes or rooms, I'd be happy to go back and measure them for you. There's just a shower in this one. It's got 2 little seats in it. Looks like they're into deer hunting and motorcycles. And then here's your to the back. I'll talk to you later. Thanks.